your boy Jay. We got my fidget spinner. Hey, look at this. I need the middle part. I need the middle part. I'm giving this away for people who subscribe to my channel. I told you people I got y'all. It's either going to Jalen or Tajane. Tomorrow. How do they do tricks like that? I need the middle piece. See? I'm still getting the same one I have. Jarena. Subscribe to my channel. If you're in my school, you get one of these. To do what with it? I'm already getting one. Alright. People who subscribe, you lucky. But thanks for it. Peace.